And hi everyone, and I am recording here today to solve this and math addition problems. And I know it's long, and I expect anyone who try to solve this problem to do less than 2 minutes, without using any additional help, whether if it's external source of help, whether if it's a calculator or if it's an you know a group answering. So I would expect anyone who answered this problem to try doing alone and in a time frame within less than 2 minutes. And if you get the right answer and just one try, please leave the comment below, and I have the answer sheet, and I will see who get the correct answer. And if you can try all of them, I will appreciate it. If you can do one, I will also appreciate it. Thank you. And that's it for today.